Welcome to this .NET Word Library tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to handle bookmarks in Word documents using the Syncfusion .NET Word Library. This includes retrieving, replacing, and deleting bookmarks. First, I open an existing ASP.NET Core application where I have already installed the Syncfusion doc.io package. If you want to know how to get started with the Syncfusion Word Library, check out the video link in the card above or description below. Let's take a look at the Word document. As you can see, it contains multiple bookmarks. I will show you how to retrieve the content of the first bookmark and save it as a separate document. I open the index.cs HTML file and remove the existing code. Then, I add a button to retrieve bookmark content. To define the action method, I navigate to the Home Controller class and import the necessary namespaces for this example. I define an action method with the return type action result. Inside this method, I create a file stream instance to retrieve the input document as a stream with the appropriate file options. To open the document, I create a Word document instance by passing the input stream and setting the format type to automatic. Once the document is open, I create a Bookmark Navigator instance to access the bookmarks in the document. I then move the virtual cursor to the desired bookmark using the moveToBookmark method, passing the name of the bookmark I want to retrieve. I extract the bookmark content as a Word document part, and I save that content as a separate Word document. I close the extracted Word document part. I then create a memory stream and save the document to that stream. Finally, I return the document as a downloadable file to the browser, specifying the file stream, content type, and file name. I save and run the application. When I click the button, the Word document is downloaded. On opening it, you will see the bookmark content saved as a separate document. Next, I will show you how to replace the bookmark content in a Word document. Take a look at this document. This is the destination document, and I'm going to replace the content of bookmark 2 with the content from the source document. First, I add a button to replace the bookmark content and define an action method with the return type action result. Within this method, I create a file stream instance to retrieve the stream of the destination document with the appropriate file options. To open this document, I create a Word document instance and pass the file stream along with the format type. Next, I reuse the code to open the source document with some modifications. I create a Word document part to extract the content from the source document. To access the bookmark in the destination document, I create a Bookmarks Navigator and virtually move the cursor to the bookmark using the moveToBookmark method. To replace the bookmark content, I invoke the replaceContent method, passing the Word document part. I then create a memory stream and save the updated document to that stream. Finally, I close the document and return the file for download by passing the stream, content type, and file name. When I click the button, the file is downloaded. And as you can see, the content of the bookmark was replaced with the content from the source document. Finally, let me show you how to delete a bookmark from a Word document. To start, I add a button to delete bookmark content and define an action method with the return type action result. Inside this method, I create a file stream instance to load the existing document as a stream. Next, I open the document by creating a Word document instance and passing the stream to it. To access the bookmarks in the document, create a Bookmarks Navigator instance. I use the moveToBookmark method to navigate to the desired bookmark by specifying its name. Then, I use the delete bookmark content method to delete the bookmark's content without affecting the format of the document. I create the memory stream and save the document to that stream. Finally, I close the document. Return the updated document as a downloadable file by specifying the stream, content type, and file name. When I click this button, the updated Word document is downloaded. Opening the file, you'll notice that the content of the specified bookmark has been deleted. I have shown you how to handle bookmarks in Word documents using the Syncfusion .NET Word Library. This includes retrieving, replacing, and deleting bookmarks in Word documents. You can download a working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link where you can learn about obtaining a free license key to use our file format libraries if you are eligible for our community license. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.